You're the Grinch!
Hey, now I've got one thing left to say. Hey, hey, fuck you! Here's my 2 minutes notice, fuck you! Time to quit and smell the roses.
As promised, I remember someone throwing me off a bridge. I'm not angry though. Say, you wanna play tag? I'm it.
Here. What are you talking about? He's probably the worst one here. Everyone else should be cool.
I feel like a young cookie again.
Life's not fair, is it? You see, I shall never be king.
Old man. Why don't you get that Tinker Toy bullshit off my turf before I smash it? More.